It's summertime on the homestead, and I'm going to give you 2 reasons why we make pig ice cream, and I'll explain how to make it in this video. Now, on hot summer days, who doesn't like a frozen treat? And our pigs are no exception. As you can see, they're practically begging for some pig ice cream this morning. Now, there's 2 main reasons we like to make pig ice cream. The first one is for those hot days. It helps aid in the cooling of our pigs since they can't sweat and are vulnerable to the heat. The second reason we like to make pig ice cream is for when we're going to be gone, and it's a slow release of that daily ration so that we don't have to pay for a farmhand. Now, I'm not telling you to tell your farmhand to go shove off or something like that. However, on those quick trips or overnight trips where you're not sure if the chores are going to be done that following day, pig ice cream helps immensely. Randy, Bacon, and Crabman are dying to have me tell you how to make pig ice cream so your piggies can enjoy it as well. It's 2 ingredients, and then you need to freeze it. The first ingredient is whatever feed you typically give your pigs. We have a corn soy-based feed that we give our pigs as a supplemental feed to the pasturing that they do behind us. The second ingredient you need is water. We like to soak our feed in a 5-gallon bucket for about 24 hours prior so that the freezing is going to create a solid block of pig ice cream. When we freeze our containers, we do it one of 2 ways, and there's one that I actually prefer more. Originally, we would take plastic part containers that are super heavy duty, and we'd freeze the feed in there and then drop it off to the pigs. The problem with that is that we'd have to retrieve the empty containers after they'd been used. So my wonderful bride and all of her wisdom said, hey, what if we used silicone bread molds? By freezing it in the silicone bread molds, not only do we not have to chase down those containers, but it makes for easy peeling and delivery of pig ice cream. The original parts containers that we had been using were super heavy duty, but they were super bulky, and so they wasted a lot of space in the freezer. Give it a shot this summer and have your pigs become your best friend by giving them pig ice cream. This is Crabman, and Crabman would have told you that he appreciated you watching our video and that he hopes that we've earned your subscription, but he's also a very polite pig and knows not to talk with his mouth full.